One of the biggest questions I get about having a Google or Google Plus or Gmail account is how to make sure that your account information is safe and secure. Well, one of the ways that you can do it, especially if you use multiple computers, is to use something called two-step verification. And what that basically is a way of you to uh, a way to create a password, but also to create a backup system to authenticate your information with Google. And you can do that by using a simple cell phone or smartphone connection. To set that up, what you can do is go over to your account information and then click the account button. What will come up is your personal information, and then head over to the security tab. Right at the top in the security tab is this two-step verification setup right below your change password. Now, of course, you should have strong passwords, but one way to recover your password or to authenticate that you're correctly logging into a new computer or re-authenticating an old computer is to set up two-step verification. So if I click the setup button, I'm going to be taken to this menu that will give me 2 or 3 different steps that I need to make sure I secure my information. So again, signing in with your usual password is fine, but two-step verification is a way to secure your information with both your password and your phone. So if I go over here to the right and I click Start Setup, it's going to ask me to log in with my regular password. So I'll do that, and then it's going to ask me to plug in my phone number and whether I want to send the codes via text message or voice call. So I plug in my phone number and then click Send Code. And within a couple of seconds, maybe 20, 30 seconds, Google will send me a text message. There it is. You heard the vibration there. And I'll get a 6-digit code. Type in the code and click Verify. And it will store the verification codes on this computer, and then you can decide whether you want to trust this computer or not. And that's a good thing for your own personal computer or your desktop, maybe not so for a work computer or a public computer. And then click Next. And then it's only going to ask you to sign in with two-step verification when you sign in into new devices. So if you get a new tablet, you get a new PC, or if by chance someone tries to sign in as you, they'll be prompted to turn on this or to activate this two-step verification. And then, of course, if they don't have your phone, they can't log in as you, and that's the security measure. So I'm going to click Confirm in the last step, and it will say to connect on the different apps that you might have with your smartphone or your tablet, and I'm going to do that later, and then click OK to finish. So then on the two-step verification summary page, there's a number of different options and registered computers and app-specific passwords that you can turn on, and of course you can click through these different apps and registered computers and make sure that you have everything registered there. So two-step verification, again, another way to secure your Google password and your Google information from any kind of intrusion attack.